What's up, guys? This is Lorenzo. Welcome back to 7th Gear. If you're new, like I said, welcome. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. If you're returning, thanks for the support. So I'm here in my grandpa's shop. My grandpa has a few cars too. This is obviously the creator of the sickness in the family of loving cars. He's got a 56 Bel Air in there. A couple goodies outside. But yeah, so if you guys watch TJ Hunt, you obviously know that he just got a 65 Mustang. And so I saw that video and I was like, man, I wonder what those are going for right now. I think it was last week. So I looked at them and I remember that my grandpa had a 65 Fastback. And he's a Chevy guy and I knew he wasn't really into Fords like, you know, I am. So I Saturday found out that he was selling it, and I was about to make him an offer. But unfortunately for me, good for him, somebody came yesterday and offered him $37,500 for it, and he got the check today and the guy's on his way to pick it up. I don't know, let me know what you guys think in the comments. Would you have liked to see that kind of content? There was a lot of things that I already kind of envisioned doing with it, but yeah, the guy's picking it up today. I don't know, maybe we'll look for something different. So I don't know, we'll see. I'm jealous of this one, man. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh, this is my dream one since I was a kid.
So I told myself, if this guy doesn't show up, I'm gonna make him an offer, and then lo and behold, you buy it. So. Interior's clean, man.
That gives you the key?
Yeah, I got it.
Hey, you don't have to if you don't want to, man. Nobody's forcing you.
I'll do a test drive and
go ahead, do it, and complain about it. But you know, you're dealing with somebody here that knows all the tricks.
That's true. So you know what the good deal that you're getting.
Listen.
Tell him, Grandpa.
Huh?
Tell him.
Yeah, he needs to understand that. Let it warm up.
For how long? For like 2 days? Because it's a Chevy?
2 minutes, man.
Oh, that's not wheel spin.
It's not wheel spin, yeah.
It sounds like wheel spin.
It does.
That's funny.
It's not.
So to give you guys some backstory of what's going on here. A few years ago, Grandpa bought you a 67 Mustang?
Yeah.
And it turned out to be not as good a shape as what we thought, as far as rust goes.
What we thought.
So his dad finds his car on Craigslist, and of course, since Gabe found it, it was rusty. What my grandpa says, basically. But
it didn't even work.
I don't know. Just don't kill us, man. Oh. So my cousin, he drives an 09 SRT.
Sorry, man. A lot of wheel spin.
So my cousin drives an 09 SRT8 Challenger B5 Blue. They didn't make many of them that year.
Sick.
And he's gotten a little bit into the construction work, the construction field, and he's got toolboxes and tools just piled in his car. And So he's needing a truck. Well, my grandpa gave him that 77 Corvette. I don't know how many years ago.
I was 14.
He was 14. You're like, what, 19 now?
I'm 20.
Oh, you're 20?
Yeah.
Oh, whatever.
Oh, my bad.
My grandpa offered him a trade for this truck in exchange for the Corvette. That way he can put his tools in the bed. Instead of, I mean, you literally have tools everywhere in your car.
In the car, yeah.
Front seat, back seat, trunk.
That sounds better right there. What I do?
Yeah. I mean, for you, the better move is to get a truck.
Yeah, and the better move would be me sell the Corvette. Because I'm going to get more out of it, right?
So he can't sell the Corvette without feeling guilty because my grandpa gave him the Corvette and then make a bunch of money on it. This is where we're at today. So I really wasn't planning on making a video, but I want to see what you guys think. Should I get another classic, do some work to a classic, start a build?
Hey, there's a 67 Mustang being sold. I've heard.
How much rust?
Barely any.
Yeah. Okay. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this short little video. Gave you a quick little tour of my grandpa's collection, minus the 65 fastback that he just sold that I wanted to buy.
Oh, you told him about that?
I just told him about that. Let me know what I should do. Should I go look for one? Should I wait for the Bronco, CA? What kind of content you guys looking for? Just let me know.
Yeah.
Steering wheel pops off.
Okay.
She didn't say anything.
No. She told me not to do it.
Huh?
She told me not to do it.
She told you that?
Yeah.
Right now?
Yesterday.
Do what?
Trade. That's your financial
Grandma,
partner.
you ought to talk, Grandma. Mind your own business, Grandma. I'm gonna have to tell her. Mind your own business.
She'll see it on YouTube.
I said, look, don't tell me what to do because I've already given him a Mustang and I already gave him a Corvette. And then this guy, I gave him a 45 Ford pickup. I mean, how much do I have to do
Yeah.
to...
Hey, Grandpa, just for the record, I haven't said a word right now. This is between you and him, so please leave me out of this.
I'm just joking.
Well, you always try to take advantage of Grandpa. What's that bulb doing out?
Oh, man.
Grandpa's grandpa.
Did he take that off yesterday?
No.
For the floater?
Yeah.
Can we say
Yeah, the floater.
That's the daily over there. Covered in dirt and
Dust
full of
and-
tools. But,
Disgusting.
this is a business decision. Sometimes business decisions aren't great.
Yeah, that's why. You know what? You just. Yeah, I'm doing it now. I'm doing it now.
You've heard it here first, folks. He's making the trade.
I'm doing it.
All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Again, drop a comment. Let me know what should be the next project. Like I said, I have some things in the works that I haven't told you guys about before, but it's involving 3 Broncos and a Corvette. That's all I'm gonna tell you. They're talking trash back there, I think. Let's eavesdrop.
No, it's good.
I don't know. Like I said, let me know what you guys think I should do. Being around all these old cars today. And I know we have a lot of classics already, but I kind of want something to make content with that isn't as built up as some of the stuff that we have. Like I said, I'm selling the 67 Bronco that I have. And yeah, so we'll see what happens. Like I said, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Follow us on Instagram at 7thyear_, and we'll see you guys in the next one.